Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I want to answer the question today of how much does lawn care cost in DFW? Whether you're in Midlothian, Mansfield, Prosper, how much does it cost? We get the question all the time. Most companies won't tell you pricing without giving you a quote. One company we contacted wouldn't even give you pricing over the phone. So we did the research for you just so you would have an idea. Now here's the thing, every single lawn is different. Every single lawn would have to be measured to give you an exact price. But what we did was called a number of different companies and got pricing for the minimum size lawn from 2,000 to 5,000 square feet, which is honestly, that's 65% of homeowners fall into that category, at least of our customers fall into that minimum size lawn. So that's what we're going to deal with today. What we found was a broad range from $80 down to $50. So the average price there was right at $70. That's from 8 different companies that we contact. And again, one company that wouldn't give us a price over the phone, which is really annoying and kind of ridiculous. So that's what it is. If you're trying to budget for lawn care services, for fertilization, weed control, $70 for that minimum range is what you're gonna end up paying, somewhere around that. A few things to keep in mind, the number of applications do vary from company to company. Some of them are 5, 6, some of them are all the way up to 9 applications, so the price for the entire year could be different, but we're just talking the true price that you're gonna be charged per application for these services. Again, every company is going to have to measure your lawn to give you an exact quote. Make sure you know what they're giving you, what services they're providing, what's all included with it, their guarantee, all that stuff. But if you've been wanting to know what the price for lawn care is without having to call, submit information, give all your information now to get a quote. That's what you're looking at. $70 an application is what the average price is right here in DFW. Hope that helps. If you have any questions about that or need our help with anything, feel free to let us know. Thanks.